producer Karen Duva, who was inside the courtroom, NBC producer who, I guess it was a little bit of a struggle even to get into this magistrate's courtroom today.
Carrie, we didn't expect so much of a presence of spectators, just the general public who wanted to get in. So the media, we were all scrambling to get in and really like pushing to get in, and it was civil, but some of us did not get in. Unfortunately, I did get in because I was there early.
When you got in, was Roger Stone already in the courtroom?
He was already seated. He was wearing a navy blue polo type shirt, possibly what he was taken out of his home wearing, because he wasn't dressed for court, if you will. His hands were shackled, and he answered the judge's questions, and it was probably like a 15-20 minute hearing.
When the magistrate asked the questions, did he stand up? Did he remain seated? Did he look at the judge? Did he look down? How did he appear?
Okay, he was seated for part of it when they were explaining to him all the charges and the requirements for him. But he did stand up at one point when the judge asked him about that his passport will be suspended and all travel documents. And he told, Your Honor, my passport is expired, so that is not an issue. And they told him he cannot apply for a passport. He cannot contact witnesses. His attorney can do so, but he cannot. He cannot sell any personal property. I've got my old school notes because phones aren't allowed in the courtroom, as you know, so thank God for pen and paper. What else is good?
Well, I'm curious. He's known to be a very confident, sometimes brash person. As he was in court, did he exude confidence, and what sort of respect did he seem to show to the process?
I think just regular Roger Stone, he was confident, and he answered the questions very directly. He's supposedly coming out here in about 30 minutes, so we'll hear from him soon. A couple other things.
Did they tell him where he could and could not travel?
Yes, travel is restricted to only the southern region of Florida, from Vero Beach to Key West, and the eastern district of Virginia and D.C.
And in all of the process of this, did he seem to have any objections, or was it more compliant with the magistrate?
I would say compliant, absolutely compliant.
Okay. And I just need to make a note here, Karen. You rushed in, and more importantly, you rushed out, and your foot's in a cast. So thank you for that. I know this isn't particularly easy amidst all of this.
Oh,
so we're going to be waiting now for Roger Stone to come down here, and I think I suspect he's going to talk for a while, but we'll wait to see here.
Carrie, why are all those people there?
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.